Yes, hello Dave, this is Ray, and I want to go over your new website with you in this short video. Please watch this video all the way through as I go over some of the features in more detail. Now, this is the home page. Let's go ahead and refresh the home page. And you're going to see the video automatically plays. So you have the video automatically playing. We'll have your logo up here. If you can tell me what you want in this logo, whether you want your name or your business or website name, I can go ahead and finish this logo for you. The website is pretty straightforward. There's only a few pages. We have a biography, frequently asked questions, and contact Dave Sawyer. So the links for the navigation is up here. And then to the right, what I've done is I've taken your SoundCloud demos and I've put them here in the right-hand side area. I've also categorized them in a nice little tab here, so you can click on commercials and it'll pull from SoundCloud your commercial demos, and you can choose which ones are displayed here. I didn't know which ones you wanted on the website. You had a lot of demos, so I'll let you decide which ones you want. And then if you click on narrations, you'll listen to some narration voiceover demos, and then miscellaneous. For instance, if you've done outbound messages for political campaigns, for example, for their outbound telephone messages, or if you've done I know a lot of times companies will use voiceovers for their telephone system as well. You can put the miscellaneous stuff here. And then also, if you have a headshot, we could have Dave Saunders voiceover talent and a brief little bit of information about yourself here. I thought it would be a good idea to put a face to the voice, and we'll have your phone number here. I have my number. I just put that in here because I didn't know if you have a separate number that you want aside from your personal number on the website. So just to have something to put here, I put my number. If you could provide the number that you want, I can replace it. We have a link to email Dave. This goes to a contact form. I don't want to make your email visible because you'll be susceptible to a lot of spam. So I have the feature set up where people can email you through the website. You don't have to reveal your email address. Social links will go down here, so if you can provide me your social links for Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, and LinkedIn, I can go ahead and set those up. I would imagine those are the social networks that would pertain to what you do the most. So if you could provide me those links, if you have them, I could set that up. Now let's go to what I want to show you first is the frequently asked questions page. I've set this up because I'm sure that people have the same questions over and over again about voiceovers. How do they give you the script? How do you deliver the audio file? What are your charges? What formats do you provide the files in? What's their turnaround time? So I'm sure you get asked the same questions over and over again. So I have this page set up and people can just click on the question and the answer will drop down. So it's nice and neat. The only one that's ever open is the one that they're currently on, because you could imagine if we had the question and answer listed for every one, this page would go on forever, and it's not very professional. So we have a drop down. You can easily add your questions and answers. And then every page, again, we have your phone number. Right now it's mine. I just need you to provide me with your phone number. And we also have the email Dave. If we also go to contact Dave Saunders, we have a contact form that I've set up. Basically, people can go ahead and fill this out, and you'll get this within your email, and then you can reply back to them. I also have a biography page set up. You'll notice as I click through the website, you can have different backgrounds for each page. So every page can have a different background. It just adds a real nice touch. So for example, right now we're on the biography page. I thought it would be a good idea to have a more in-depth bio about yourself. and this would be the page to put that on. So if people want to read a little bit more about your credentials, your style of voiceovers, what makes you unique, you can put that all here on this page. But if we go here, for example, back to, let's say, frequently asked questions, you'll see the background here is different than the frequently asked questions background. I picked a lot of backgrounds that have to do with audio. For example, each one is an equalizer, and it just adds a nice touch. Instead of having a solid color background, you have a background that has some color, some pop to it. And if you go to the home page, for example, you'll see that background is different as well. And if you have backgrounds that you prefer, as long as they're the right size, and all in the tutorials that I'll provide, um, you'll know what size wallpaper or backgrounds you should use for in order to cover the entire screen. You can upload your own backgrounds. So and you can see that the website also, I've put little touches on it. For example, on the left hand side, if you hover your mouse over any one of these, you can have it linked to Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. If you don't have a YouTube, I could replace this with something else like LinkedIn or Google Plus. But just provide me your social links because I didn't have those, and I can set that up. But this is the website. I welcome your feedback. You wanted, I looked at the examples you sent. You wanted something really simple and easy to manage, and this is very easy to manage. All you have to do is update your SoundCloud, which you're going to do anyways, and this will pull from SoundCloud. You can designate what you want in each tab. It's nice and organized, very professional. And you also have a place here for your logo. Just let me know if you want me to put Dave Saunders voiceovers, or if you have a business name that you want here. If you have a logo already made, please provide it and I'll be glad to update it. And this website, once I move it over to your domain and set up your hosting, you'll have some tutorials showing you how everything works, how to update your website, and also there's a visual editor allowing you very easy access to make changes as often as you want. But I welcome any feedback. I'll be glad to make any changes that you see fit. Again, thank you for the opportunity, Dave, to create this website for you.